Hey, what's up mga parayan. So magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. So panibagong gabi, panibagong vlog na naman. So may nagre-request sa atin na i-video daw natin or i-vlog natin yung laro nila. So ito siya, si Jerome Ferrer. Ayan, so shout out sa iyo, idol. So second game daw sila ngayon na mismo. So baka first game na yung naglalaro doon. Iwan ko kung sino naglalaro. Tapos kung anong quarter na. So pupunta na tayo doon. Let's go. Ayun. So ayun mga para, nandito na tayo ngayon sa Barangay Kapatan. Ayun mga paro. So nandito na tayo kung saan ginaganap yung liga ng Barangay Kapatan dito sa cover court sa may harap kalsada. So papasok na tayo. Let's go. Ito muna. So kasama natin si Noy. First game pa lang yung naglalaro mga par. Second game sila, idol, tapong Jerome Ferrer. Shout out Uncle Tonang.
Julius Valerio, butasin mo, tatapalan ko. Julius Valerio.
Yung Sabado.
Both team shake hands.
May senior eh.
Dribble. Our balls. Penguin ball. Aquino. Galicia to Aquino. Aquino. Our ball. Sing ball. Pinag-inong. Inong kayo. Aquino for two. Miguel Rivera Santos. Foul by jersey number 7, Ramos.
Politong.
That's the first personal foul.
Nung politong pulmay.
Santos. Guarded by Aquino. Santos, pinasa kay Manawis. Paragas. Istila naman, Galison lang mamatay, Galison. Miguel Rivera by jersey number 6, Manawis. Pass to Bautista to Ferrer. Still by Aquino. Pass to Aquino. Pass to counter jersey number 23, Aquino. Santos. Ferrer. Pass to counter jersey number 5. Aquino. Guarded by Manawis. Galicia. Our balls. Booking ball.
Balik tayo.
Bedrock 2. Santos, guarded by Galicia. Santos, nakawala. Santos, pinasa kay Manawis. Manawis for 2. Nigel. Rebound. Ispina naman kay Aquino. Classic pound to jersey number 25. Cabos. Ispina naman ni Aquino. Pass to Cabos. Negative. Number 23, Aquino. Rebound by Ferrer. Pass to Santos, pinasa kay Torradas. Negative, rebound by Aquino. nagagawa ng bola. Jumbo, single. Barangas. Pass to Manawis. Manawis gather the Campos. Santos for 3. Negative rebound by Galisen. Galisen nagmamadali. Galisen pinasa kay Campos. Campos for 3. Campos to Galisen. Player out of bounds. Santos. Santos nakawala. Isinalaman kay Ramos. Paragas. Keren. Paragas. Pinasa kay Santos. 5 to shoot.
Foul.
Nakakuha ba ng foul? Foul by number 7 Ramos. That's your second personal foul. Bonus with the shot to jersey number 17 Santos. Negative.
May say, nambung lang.
Lambung nila.
Kaya sini.
Mas.
Tumpala, nakamila.
Sumes ni Bingo. Abik. Sila si Ma.
Passing count to jersey number 17.
Lumidit aja. Lumidit.
Passing count to jersey number 17.
Junior Lara to naman. Sinuntan sige mo.
Ramos. Sabut. Number 9 Aquino in.
Nagalas engineer.
Number 17 Santos. Pass to Manawis. Manawis for 3. Bang! Takbong mayaman Manawis.
Tagupan.
7 back to 4. Galisen for 2. Negative. Rebound by Peret. Pass to Paragas. Paragas to Bautista. Negative. Bautista. Pass it count to jersey number 15. Aquino. Nakuha naman ito sila panay Aquino. Galisen. Nakuha pa na foul. Foul by number 23. Number 5. Ferrer. Santos. Pass to Morales. Morales. Negative follow up. Yes, sir. Pass it down to jersey number 15. Aquino. Nakakuha pa ng foul. Foul by number 5. Ferrer. That's her first personal foul. First team foul. Number 24, number 20, Aquino. Negative, rebound by Santos. Santos to Guerrero. Guerrero, go to. Negative, rebound. Foul by number 5, Guerrero. That's your second personal foul. Aquino for 3. Negative. Out of bounds. A good ball. 7 minutes, 3 minutes and 35 seconds to end the first period.
Ay, kawanan man eh.
Santos. Still by jersey number 9, Aquino. Aquino, to jersey number 28. Aquino, nakakuha pa ng foul. Foul by number 15. That's your first personal foul. Third team foul. Cabos, running by Paragas. Cabos. Napitawan. Paragas. Paragas for two. Pass it out to jersey number 10. Paragas. Galise. Negative. Rebound by Pereira. Pereira. Pass over. Number 15. Negative. Rebound by number 11 Galise. Pass to Cabos. Cabos leaving the ball. Pinasa kay Aquino. Aquino for three. Negative follow up. Pass it down to jersey number 9 Aquino. Santos. Negative. Rebound. Paragas. Negative. Rebound by Aquino. Aquino to Galise. Galise naman. Aquino. Galise. Negative. Rebound by Pereira. Pereira to Santos. Santos to number 15. Pass it down to jersey number 15. Pass it down to jersey number 25. Cabos. Goalkeeper. Paragas to the one block shot. Rebound by jersey number 9. Aquino. Aquino. Cabos. Win the ball. Cabos. Block shot by Santos. Paragas. To Pereira. Pereira. Pinasa kay jersey number 15. Supran. Pass it down. Time out. Penguin Papers. Time remaining 1 minute and 21 seconds. 17 down to 8 in favor of Edline Bookie. Edline. Number 25 Cabos. Pass to Aquino. Aquino for three. Negative. Rebound by jersey number 5, Pereira. Pereira, nagmamadali for two. Negative. Rebound by Aquino. Aquino. Nagmamadali. Aquino. Steal by jersey number 5. Denver. Pass to Pereira. Pass it count to jersey number 5. 29 seconds to end the first period.
Kalapit, mga kalapit.
Hingga kalir nanti. Injat mo.
Mami to.
Steal by jersey number 5. Pereira. Negative. Out of bounds. Time remaining 28 seconds to end the first period. Denver for three. Negative. Rebound by Cabos. Cabos to Aquino. Aquino collect. Passing down to jersey number 23. Pereira. Passing down to jersey number 5. 10 seconds to end the first period. 5 seconds. And that is the end of the first period. Official score 21 down to 10 in favor of Edline Bookie. Brought to you by Jerry Fernandez. Paragas. Number 2, Aquina. Receiver number 5, pass to Denver. Denver. Pass it count to jersey number 5, Denver. Number 25, Cabos. Negative. Rebound by the steal. Aquino. Aquino. Pass it count to jersey number 23, Aquino. Number 21, Fernandez, pass to Santos. To Pereira, Pereira, pinasa kay Denver. Follow up, yes sir. Pass it count to jersey number 24. Number 28, pass to number 23, Aquino. Out of bounds. Number 05, Trevor, pass to number 5, Pren. Santos. Galing pa yung Medina. Santos. Pass to Fernandez. Istila naman Aquino. Aquino na mamadali. Aquino for 2. Pass to count to jersey number 25. Cabos. Fernandez. Pass to Agad. On the ball. Single. Official score 25 to 14. Ferrer, follow up, pass it count to jersey number 5, Ferrer. Number 25, Carlos for 3. Nugget, rebound by Santos. Santos nagmamadali, Santos for 2. Pass it count to jersey number 17. 25 to 18. Aquino, pass it down. Time out. Penguin Papers. Number 05, Denver, pass the pair. Istina naman, Galison. Pass it down to jersey number 11, Galison. Pass it Denver for 2. Nugget. Rebound by jersey number 11. Galison. He's still by Fernandez. Aquino for 2. Nugget. Rebound by Ramos. Stepping the line. Ferrer. Nugget, rebound by Galison. Galison naman ang mamatay. Galison to Aquino. Aquino, pass it down to jersey number 28. Ferrer. Istina naman ang Ramos sa bola. Pass to Aquino. Cabos, pass it down to jersey number 25. Cabos. Time out. Brought to you by Holiday and Sakura. Number 21, Fernandez. Pass to Santos. Santos to Adam. Adam for 2. Follow up. Yes, sir. Pass it count to jersey number 10, Paragas. Aquino. To jersey number 28, Nugget. Rebound by Galison. Nakawala. Galison. Pass to Ramos. Ramos to Cabos. He's clear by jersey number 17, Santos. Nakakuha pa ng foul. Foul by number 25, Cabos. That's your first personal foul. First team foul.
Mura po yung tanga. Po yung labak.
Pass it count to jersey number 17. 32 down to 24. Galison, pass to Cabos. Cabos to Aquino. Pinasa kay Ramos. Ramos to Aquino. Aquino, block shot. Aquino, block shot. Turn to shoot. Block shot. Nakakuha by a foul. Foul by number 17, Santos.
Mura po yung labak. Bubukapan.
That's your first personal foul.
Pero may dita mo. Wala. Ito sa Ragman. Hindi, may iuyong. Depende.
Miguel Ribamay Santos. Santos, pass to jersey number 21, Fernandez. Istina na lang. Carlisen, bang! Passing pa to jersey number 11. Paragas, nakakuha pa ng foul. Foul by number 23, Aquino. Sabot. Jersey number 23, that's your second personal foul. 32 down to 26. Pass to Paragas. Paragas to Ferrer. Ferrer. Didiscarte. Ferrer sumagasa for 2. Pass it down to jersey number 5. Ramos. Pass to Aquino. Aquino, sasagasa. Aquino to Ramos. And to shoot. Galise. Nakakuha pa ng foul. Foul by number 23. 24 rather. That's your first personal foul. 14 seconds shot clock. Number 28, Aquino. Galicia for 3. Negative, rebound by Ferrer. Ferrer, nakawala. Ferrer. To Adam, negative. Rebound naman kay Adam for 2. Rebound by Aquino. Aquino, napamadali, Aquino. Rebound by Campos. Campos to Aquino. Pass it down to jersey number 23. 24 down to 28. Ferrer. Negative. 7 to line. Out of bounds. Penguins ball. Time remaining 2 minutes and 11 seconds. 34 down to 28 in favor of Joaquin Edgar. Ramos. Gado Benju, Ramos nakawala. Pinasa kay Ramos. Ramos. Follow up, Ramos. Negative, rebound to Santos. Still Galisen. Galisen to Ramos. Ramos with 3. Negative. Rebound by jersey number 17. Santos to Ferrer. Ferrer. Nakakuha pa ng foul. Foul by number 11. Galisen, that's the first personal foul. Time out, Penguin Papers. Aquino, pass to Galisen. Galisen. Pass to Acutina. Aquino, pass it count to jersey number 9. 34 down to 30. Apat na lang po ang kalamangan. Santos Putri, rebound by Ramos. Pass to Aquino. Balik na naman kay jersey number 23, Aquino. Negative. Rebound by Adam. Irong tayo. Ferrer for 2. Negative. Rebound by Aquino. Acutina. Aquino. Out of bounds. Same ball. Time remaining 35 seconds to end the second period. Galisen for 3. 10 to shoot. Aquino. Negative. Rebound by Ferrer. Ferrer to Santos. 20 seconds. Adam. Pass to Paragas. Negative. Nakakuha pa ng foul. Foul by number 2. Hakutina pushing foul. Time remaining 11 seconds to end the second period. Ikaw kayo, alam mo solo yun. Ikaw kayo. Nangar pipipi. One bonus with a shot. 11 seconds to end of second period. Basket counter goes to number 22. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Fouled by number 17. 22. 22. 4 seconds. Negative. And that is the end of the second period. 25 down to 30 in favor of Headline Bouquet. And that score is brought to you by